Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of tooth for histology, practical and slide. There are four identification points of tooth. Number one, enamel is visible. Enamel is the outermost covering of tooth which is hardest structure in human body. Number two, dentine. Number two, dentine is visible. Dentine is the second most layer of tooth which present below the enamel and are yellowish in color and have dentinal tubules. The third is pulp cavity is present. Pulp cavity is a vital portion of tooth which have vasculature and nerves. This is the vital portion of tooth pulp cavity. Number four, cementum is visible. Cementum is the outermost covering of tooth on root surface. On visible portion of tooth, crown surface, the outermost covering is enamel. But on root surface, the outermost covering of tooth is cementum. These are the identification points of tooth for histology, practical and slide. And on my YouTube channel, I already upload the tooth slide detail explanation video. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel, you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detail explanation video and each slide identification points for practical and slide. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification in order to you receive each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.